Redmagic 7 with 16 gig RAM and 256 gigabyte of storage. It arrived today. This is the unboxing experiment. This is a very high quality material, and this is from Redmagic website for UK. It has 2 years guarantee and also 14 days of return if you don't like it. And what we see here is some tools and a case. It's like see-through case, soft material, and this is the phone, the real deal. It took like 4 days to arrive from Hong Kong. And this is what we have here. It's pretty, it's not very heavy. It's not like a Ultra S22 Ultra Samsung, but also it's very nice to hold. And what we have here is 2 speakers, one here, the other one is there, and there is a screen protector on it, and as you can see, this is a fan. And I'm just looking at the fan because I saw different thing on the website and on the other reviews, but let's turn it on. Redmagic logo appeared, powered by Android. Redmagic, and we need to go through all the information. Yeah, it's definitely Redmagic 7. Okay, 77% battery in it. It has 4,500 battery. It's not like 5,000 like Samsung or new OnePlus, but that one is super good. It's not a small battery, and I can't promise. This is a super powerful phone, 16 gig RAM, 256 gigabyte of storage. It's a gaming phone. It's very powerful phone if you want to do some stuff, but and it's very nice, very beautiful, different color in different. Can't see how beautiful it is. Yeah, I tried to post more video of it. And they also sent the charger. This is a 65 watt charger, and also they sent a UK plug socket. I didn't made a lot of videos like this. In fact, this is my first video, and they sent this one in the box. That was the box. The Chinese version has 120 watt charger, super fast charger, but for the battery is better to get less watt, because some people say super fast charger damage the battery, but I didn't have any bad experience with fast chargers. Nobia, yeah. Yeah, it's 65. And this is a cable. Oh, it also has headphone jack. You can see here. This is super cool. And also has trigger. You can see this for gaming, for shooting and other stuff too here. One here, one here. It's super cool. Okay, I'm gonna set it up, and if you want more video, ask me in comment.